Lure here. Pressure here. Beautifully taken, what a try! Hurrell on the back foot. Oh, brings it for Sintua! It's caught on the hop there. Oh, no way! Lure here! Tonga! Kantoa. There goes Mera Pasila. Mera Pasila is through. There's going to be another try. Hopoate. Here goes Tonga with one last crack at the line. Oh, that did it. For Sintua. Florida's got it. For Sintua. 3 tries. And Tonga. Oh, gee, what a day for Tonga. Wow. They won't stop cheering here in Hamilton. It'll be like this for the next hour. History created. 3 for Sintua. Don't worry about dummy half running. Give it to Taumalolo. He'll get you close. So there we are. Tonga turn this Rugby League World Cup on its head and have finished full play on top of Group B with 3 wins from 3 and their first ever win over New Zealand, their 5th attempt in international rugby league. What a game it's been here in Hamilton. Certainly those fans of Tonga have enjoyed it.